Okay, how do I get this thing to work? Put it up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Kyrell. What's up? And today I'm gonna be cooking. It's the nighttime and it's New Year's Eve, so why don't I cook me something to eat? I'm not at that advanced point yet, so I'm just gonna make me a couple of sandwiches. I might make me some cereal. You know what? Come here. Alright, guys. So, this is what I got to work with. Those dishes. Anyways, this is what I got to work with. So, that's what I've got to do. So, just wait here. I'll get the ingredients. Just smell this stuff my mom's cooking. Alright. So just good stuff. Alright, I'll be back. Now, just get some cheese. Where's the cheese? Okay, one sandwich. I only need one anyway. Alright, I'm back. Potato bread. Keep dropping you. Potato bread. Check. It says potato bread here. Check. Bologna. Check. Cheese. Check. So, neat. Also, guys, if you want to send me any stuff, it's 9 Gramercy Lane, New Jersey. I don't know everything. I'll just ask my mom and I'll make a video on that. So, you have a cup. Tonk. We have this. We have this. We now have this. Ice. Also, I only have my phone, so I can't make live streams. So if you guys do want me to make a live stream, I'm sorry, I can't. Alright guys, I want you guys, every video that I make, I'm going to put a riddle in it. You guys have to answer it. And maybe in March, which that's when my birthday is, I'll give you something. You can send me birthday mail as well. You guys, yeah, you can do that. I suck so much. Anyways, ice in there. What I usually do is like I have the packet. I open it, And then I just put it in. I don't put the water in first. I just put the packet of it in there so that I can go onto the ice as well. I like it on the ice. I don't know. Guys, I don't know why I like it on the ice. I just like it on the ice. So now, I'm going to get some healthy water up in here. Yeah. You hear that? You hear that? That's healthy water. Filtered water. Healthy water. Yeah. Yeah, we got a good kitchen here. We got some good stuff up in here. And if you try to steal stuff from this joint, oh, we got security. We got security. Like, I'm not gonna tell you much about that. You don't need to know about that. Just know that I'm cooking something. Okay. Spoon. Got the spoon, yeah. Got the spoon. Mix all up. Mix it up. And if you just want one more ice cube in it, grab it, put it in there, make it even colder. Colder is better. I like lemonade cold. I like my drinks cold. I don't know why, but I just like them cold anyway. Done that. Gotta make some more ice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 new ice cubes that are in this thing. And now, put it in the freezer. You know, freeze. I made freeze with 3 Z's. Freezer. The freezer. Get it? You guys don't get it. Anyways. Sandwich. Potato bread. Why am I doing this? I always have to do this. Knife. Donkey, I told you to open. I told you to open up, Donkey. But you didn't. So now, cutting you open. Try to get you open. But it's not. Gosh. Ah, here's one of them. I always wanted to find these. I never knew where they were. There we go, guys. Got it open. I'm down here.
Come on, cut some of the lights off. What are you doing?
Making me something to eat.
Cut the other light off. Y'all got too many lights on.
I only have one.
Get up. Pick up all this damn trash in your room. I told you to clean your room for New Year's, right? And you didn't. Now.
Sorry guys, that was my mom. Anyways. Open. Good boy. I don't need you anymore. Open sesame. I'll get to the advanced cooking. This might be boring. Don't change the channel. Don't dare change that channel. There's something special about this sandwich. You know what's special about this sandwich? You know what? If you want to be a good chef, you have to pass the test of making this sandwich, or you gotta kill the fly. I mean, I gotta say that again. Or you gotta kill a fly. Now, if you kill a fly, that's 2,000 points. So you already win. So if you want to win, you gotta kill a fly. Or you just gotta make a sandwich like this. Plain, simple, nice. Really nice. Really nice. Anyways. Do we need this? No, we don't. We don't need it anymore. The sandwich is already complete. And now I'm gonna roast it. I'm gonna roast it. Hey, sandwich. You look stale. Look stale. Your mama so potato-like. She is a potato. Anyways, let's do. Got a second break. Brakes off. Brakes back on. 7 seconds, 6 seconds now. Ah, brakes over. Like again. Yep, so sandwich complete. Testing. Cheese melted. Juice. Perfect. This was Cooking with Kyrell, signing off. And we'll make another video soon, guys. Don't worry about it. Alright, bye. See ya.